one mention, my lord, actually, this matter from the end of the list, the 230, is a matter pertaining to the special court. So far as the other accused are concerned, this court has watched as proceedings so far as now, the NBWs have been issued and the police.
NBW is issued against whom?
Against the present petitioner. So far as
Which accused? Which accused are you?
I'm accused number 18.
18.
18. There are a total about 150 accused. So far as about 15-20 accused, the matter is already quashed.
What is the offense?
188 mullahs of the Indian Penal Code. They were conducting a protest, mullahs, and were booked. We raised issues of cognizance and other aspects. And 188, the person who promulgates the order, he must file the complaint. So in all these aspects, the coordinate bench of this court has quashed the proceeding insofar as the other accused are concerned. Now the matter remains only pending against us. Therefore,
how many?
In this petition, only one.
All right. So why have you not taken bail? Why NBW is issued?
Now we have to attend court. We have the initial proceedings are done. Initially, a PCR was registered.
Why NBW is issued against you?
Non-appearance.
Why can't you go and appear?
We'll appear. There is no issue at all.
Go and appear and take bail. We'll see about quashing later.
Appearance will appear.
List this matter on the next day. When is that? Monday.
Yes.
Well, that's on submission, madam.
Tuesday ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ 14% ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ in that.
My lordship, one mention, my lordship. I request your lordship to post this matter at 2:30. Urgency is that, my lordship, I'm the petitioner husband. Respondent wife has preferred an MC petition seeking for the dissolution of marriage, my lordship. Thereafter, I have filed an interlocutory application under Order 11, Rule 5, seeking a direction at hands of family court to direct the summon the assets and liabilities of the respondent from the IGP, my lordship, since the respondent is the DSP. So the same application, interlocutory application, has been dismissed, and the trial court is proceeding with the cross-examination of the petitioner. The date was fixed. The date is on the 14th of this month, my lordship. There is an urgency.
14th of this month.
14th of this month. 14/3 of 2020.
All right. We'll have this matter tomorrow.
May I make one submission?
A further hearing matter that my lord had interacted with the child and directed the mother to, in fact, my lord arranged for transportation to drop the child to the school and father to pay for the expenses. Now the mother has again stopped my lord's sending the child to the school. I have visitation after school hours. That matter, my lord, for further hearing matter tomorrow, if it can be taken up. I do not have visitation now, my lords, on a day-to-day basis because the child is not being sent to the school. There is an order of my lordship that she has to comply with that order. Therefore,
What is the order passed? What is the order passed by this court?
Well, it's on Friday, from Friday evening till Sunday afternoon, my lords, I have the custody of the child. Every day, my lords, after school hours, I had to pick the child from the school.
Who are you, father?
Father.
You have to pick the child from where?
From school and drop
When?
back to the mother's house.
When?
Every day from Monday to Thursday. Now that is not happening because child is not being sent to the school. In fact, after my lord in chambers, my lord had passed an order saying that letter arranged for transportation for the child to be dropped to the school and father to pay. We had undertaken to repay the money, my lord, but she my lords have not arranged for transportation and not sending the child to the school. Therefore, my lords, Monday to Thursday, I am unable to exercise visitation because child is not going to the school. Therefore, my lords, tomorrow if it can be taken.
When is the matter? Otherwise, Friday.
My lords, if I may
Friday.
This Friday, my lord.
Yes.
my lords, matter pertains to an interim maintenance order grant. It was previously challenged before the honorable court, and the honorable court had reduced it to 15,000. The trial court has now again increased it to 25,000.
All right. You're challenging that.
My lords?
You're challenging that new order.
Yes, my lords. And the assets and liabilities, they've committed perjury and application is already moved.
All right. Rest matter, you're moving.
Yes.
Next week, take it.
The matter is posted on 17th for final arguments. Because. Pardon me?
It'll get over on that day,
No, sir, I leave it to my lords. If it can be taken any day this week.
next week.
My lords, one writ petition GMFC, my lords, I am for the respondent wife.
1 minute.
Have-
You want it on Friday? Friday is the MC day, madam? Friday I will take it.
Quickly open.
Sorry, my lords. My lords, I am for the respondent wife. I moved for a vacating stay application, my lords. My lords, what has happened is this honorable court granted an ad interim stay pertaining to a stay of maintenance order passed by the first additional family court, my lords. And what has happened, 1 lakh maintenance was ordered per month, but this honorable court was pleased to grant 30,000 rupees plus educational expenses of 75,000 rupees, what was ordered by the first additional court. This honorable court's order has been misinterpreted before the court, telling that the court has only ordered 30,000 rupees per month, so I am depositing 30,000 rupees. The memo which is being filed clearly establishes only 30,000. But this honorable court has clearly passed an order that this stay, the petitioner will enjoy only after depositing the arrears. Now let's, the misinterpretation of the memo, I will bring it to the kind knowledge of this honorable court by tomorrow, my lords, if it's possible, or any date.
Friday.
Much obliged.
First date of appearance is on Saturday. We have challenged the order of taking document. Two connected petitions are also there.
Your mic is on.
Matter is on.
Your mic is on.
It's on.
Now it is on.
Yes, now it's on. Saturday is the first date of appearance. The allegation is made against the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. We have filed initially in the first round. This honorable court was pleased to quash the order of taking cognizance and all further proceedings thereto. After remand, Lord, I'm afraid the directions issued by this honorable court, what needs to be applied for my application of mine has not been done. The first date of appearance is on Saturday. Summons was served on us day before yesterday. So we are moving it for Friday, my lord, if it is convenient to court. Friday. But one more connected petition is also there, my lord. I will give the memo, my lord, by 1:30. Obliged.
May I make a mention, your lordship?
What is the offense made out in that?
Lord, offense is one of POCSO.
So now this court has remanded for considering afresh cognizance
Afresh, yes,
by application of mine.
that's right. That's right.
So that is not done.
That is not done again. That's my, please.
Your lordship, one GMFC matter, your lordship, wherein ex parte interim maintenance has been ordered. The maintenance is for 30,000, your lordship. I am earning a salary of 40,000 and also FLW has been issued against the petitioner, your lordship. I may request on tomorrow, your lordship.
Friday.
Grateful.
Yes.
Page-wise. List 1, page number 8, seal number 38 to 43.
Number 3, man.
Seal number 38 to 43, adjournments. Page 9, seal number 44 to 48.
My lord, serial number 44, my lord. Serial number 44. My lord, records is necessary, my lord. Records may be called, my lord.
Registry to secure records. List immediately after securing records.
My lord, serial number 47.
Huh.
My lord, kindly post along with MFA number 4641 of 24.
Post along with MFA.
4641 of 24.
Wakalat filed by respondent. Shri Ashok and Patil. Is accepted.
Page number 10, seal number 49 to 57.
Serial number 52, I appear for respondent 1 week times.
50.
2.
Yes, Matpati.
You're for respondent.
Yes, sir. Some colleague is Mrutyunjaya Matpati.
Why you are taking time in this? 2020.
Salary certificate produce ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನಿದು interim maintenance ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ salary certificate last time direction
2022 interim maintenance ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ when you are going to dispose of the main matters.
1 week times.
What, sir? You should have responsibility.
Please.
We are keeping 22 matters in a matrimonial case, which
ನಾವೇ
is required to be disposed of in
ನಾವೇ
6
ಮೂವ್
months.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ
So your respondent, have you informed petitioner?
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
You're the wife.
Yes.
At request of respondent, call this matter next week.
Please.
Petition respondent to inform the counsel for petitioner.
Page number 11, seal number 58 to 60. List 1 for orders, serial number 1, Sri Vidya GK.
A week's time granted to do the needful. In order to issue notice to R1 and 2.
Serial number 2, D Vijay Kumar.
My lord, I am for the appellant, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, I am going to take steps for the third time within a week, my lord. And my lord, they have filed an application for withdrawal of the amount. It's a case of check bounce case. My lord, we are not liable to pay the compensation. And my lord, interim order may kindly be extended, my lord.
My lordship, I am appealing for first respondent. Kindly permit the first respondent to withdraw the amount which was deposited by the petitioner in 50% in the trial court. And kindly direct the office of this honorable court to return the document, trial court records to the trial court. Your Honor. It's a very urgency for admissions of the children. Your Honor.
What is that check bounce? What is this?
My lord, the check is bounced, my lord. It is returned dishonored. Then the policy is cancelled.
The premium
Yes, premium policy. Yes, my lord.
payment of check is dishonored.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
No, but there is some judgment on that, if I remember right.
No, the company is not liable to pay the compensation because check is dishonored. No premium was paid.
A dispute ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು petitioner ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾಸಿ ಓನರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. I am suffering from the injury.
Where is that judgment which says that even if the check is dishonored, it can be granted? There is some judgment. Have you read it?
No, Your Honor.
No. Please read and come and
No,
bring the judgment.
Not today they are telling that check was
Although
bounced.
then he will tell he is
Trial-
entitled to say so.
In that trial court, they are not taken any.
Sir,
con-
you
I
are
think
now
my
asking-
referent has not read my appeal memo at all.
You are now before this court seeking for withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Now his defense is the check is bounced, so policy is not, renewed. So there is one judgment to my knowledge, check which some of your friend, Rishpendra tale adistha idare keli avrige. Avru ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, come next week, I will see that and pass orders. When you come to court, you should come prepared,
Kindly fix the date. Your Honor.
next date.
My lord, interim order may kindly be
Next time granted to do the needful interim order extended, call on date.
much obliged. Much obliged.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೌದು. Next week,
Much.
25th.
Seal number 3.
Let him give the copy of the appeal. This is my lord. Let him give the copy of the judgment also so that I can. go through.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Yes, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಡ್ರಾಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ.
Please, my lord.
Number 3, Gangaraj C.
Weeks time granted at request, needful done, issue notice.
4, Shripad V. Shastri.
Notice.
My lord, I am
to
for
dispensed.
appellant. My lord, records necessary, my lord, records.
Secure records. Next matter also.
My lord, in serial number 5, my lord, it may be disposed of. We discussed it to some extent. It is 1,52,000 now required to be awarded over and above, which
Memo R1 dispensed, memo accepted. Dispose ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ.
Judicial order, my lord.
ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಯಬಲ್?
tomorrow, my lord, tomorrow.
tomorrow ಇದೆಯಾ MFA?
Memo.
ನಾಳೆ tomorrow. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಐದರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮೆಮೊ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Number 6.
I am for appellant weeks time, my lord.
Weeks time, needful done, notice to R1, 4 and 5.
Number 7.
R1 dispensed. Weeks time to. for-
Dispute number 1, my lord, owner of the vehicle, my lord. My lord, trial court pay and recovery order, my lord, kindly memo may be rejected, my lord. I will take steps, my lord.
R1 ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Pay and recovery order ಆಗಿದೆ by mistake and.
Cancel ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು. Issue, ಈ weeks time granted, if needful done, notice to 1 and 2.
Please, my lord, respond number 2, kindly direct to take notice Ravi S. Samprati, my lord. My lord, new insurance company, my lord, Raheja QBE General Insurance Company, only one person is a standing counsel, my lord.
ಯಾರು?
Ravi S. Samprati, my lord.
Learned counsel Sri Ravi S. Samprati is directed to take notice for R2.
R2, my lord.
Registry to show his name in the cost list.
Much obliged.
Copy to be furnished.
Please.
Number
R2.
8.
For appellant in this case, my lord, kindly grant weeks time.
Memo filed for dispensation is withdrawn, dismissed as withdrawn. Yes, madam.
I am for appellant in this case, my lord, kindly grant a week's time, my lord.
Week's time. Needful done notice to respondent.
Number 9.
Not pressing the memo because it's a paid recovery.
All right.
So I R1 to be.
Memo is dismissed as not pressed. Issue notice to respondent 1.
And also 10 also, serial number, same.
Same
paid
order in 10, madam. Dismissed not pressed. Week's time. If needful done notice to R1.
Number 11. SV Hegde Mulkand.
Week's time. Needful done notice to R1.
Number 12.
I am for applying my press week's time to take steps. Number 5, second time.
Week's time. Needful done notice to R1.
13.
Rishpendraya.
Needful done, my lord.
Learned counsel submits needful is done. Registry to verify and issue notice.
Number 14.
ಯಾವ್ದು ತಲೆ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಮಗೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
There are divergent judgments are there, my lord. Because the premium itself has not been received. How insurance, 64 EB, there is the notification of the IRDA. Under that circumstance, insurance company is not liable.
If premium is not received.
Yes, my lord.
But there is one judgment if the check is dishonored.
Yes, yes. They have to comply they have to issue notice to the RTO and also the owner, my lord.
Supreme Court or High Court?
High Court judgment.
What is the court? If you remember, you give, otherwise I have it.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Number 14. Jagdish
May
Balaji.
may I please? The first respondent filed execution petition. So I may be permitted to serve on his counsel.
Why?
R1.
Why? You have to take notice. Why you should serve on him?
The address he furnished,
R1 ಯಾರು?
claimant,
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ನಾನು ಓನರಿಗೆ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ.
ಇನ್ನೇನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಸರ್ವ್.
Please.
That counsel, a week's time granted. If needful done, notice to R1.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Appellant is also permitted to take out notice to counsel for respondent number 1. If execution petition is instituted.
Please.
Insurance.
ಯಾರು?
ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ? It's Rishpendra.
Learned counsel Shri Rishpendraya. HC Rishpendraya. Directed to take notice for R3. Registry to show his name in the cost list.
50. It's Rishpendraya.
I'm challenging the liability, my lord. Our objection is that in the synopsis I have typed wrongly. It is correct, my lord, because the judgment is very clear. First page of K11T4081, K114082, my lord. It's correct only. Somewhere in the
Synopsis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
synopsis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ದು ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. K11T4081 and K11T4082. The judgment also it is correct, my lord, at the first page of the judgment.
Why this suddenly comes to 4081?
At the first page of the judgment itself. One was attacked to bearing number so and so.
Correct. ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Aye, Swami.
ಅದೊಂದೇನಾ?
Adonde, Swami. Other things I have done. I have corrected.
Objection raised by registry is overruled. First time?
Yes, my lord. Stay may be granted, my lord.
Issue notice pending consideration for delay. Stay IA is taken up. There shall be stay. Operation execution of the